Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download VS Code in your Windows system. First of all, open any of your browser. I'm using Firefox here. Here just enter VS Code download. Once you enter VS Code download, the first website it will ask you download Visual Studio Code. Here you will get multiple options for downloading Visual Studio. One is for Windows, another one is for Linux, another one is for Apple or Mac OS. I now need for Windows, so I am going to click Windows here. Once you click Windows here, the official document shows you the more setting extensions, then the download starts. Let's wait for download. Once the download is completed, just click here open files. The file opens a dialog box which shows the license of Visual Studio Code. Just press I accept, then next. After this it will ask you multiple settings over here to create a desktop icon. Add open with code, action to Windows Explorer, context menu, add open with code. Right now we don't need this, just click enter and create desktop icon next. Once you completed this, if you just click install, the VS Code will get installed, but I have already have with VS Code, so I'm not going to install it. So this is all guys, this is it today's video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.